packing for a conference. It's myOrganized.life live, April 8th, 2019.
Did you say live? You sound like you said live.
Well,
Live?
I don't know what.
Live?
Live?
Anyway,
Maybe
it's live.
Yeah, well, and thinking about this is live. This is myOrganized.life live. I'm John Hunt.
And I'm Leanne Thompson.
This is the
back.
show. Yes, this is
back.
the show where I'm going to get to the transition.
I'm back.
Okay, this is the show where we give you organizing tips, advice, and now you're back.
I'm back.
You were gone last week.
I was gone for three days.
3 days, and we had you live via technology.
Cool.
That was cool.
Yes, I know.
Ellen DeLapp did a great job on Friday too.
I know she did. Yes, she did.
Great. You did a live blogger roundup.
It was cool.
Gotta
it was
go back and watch those shows on Thursday and Friday.
Yeah,
Some of the best stuff that comes out of this studio.
People love the show.
They
I
do?
had complete strangers coming up to me at the table.
No.
Yeah,
Really?
they did. Oh, I recognize you from the show.
Did anyone ask you for an autograph?
No.
Come
But
on, folks. You're supposed to
many
ask her for an
people-
autograph so her head gets like this big.
Many people asked where you were, so I said next
Yeah.
year I'm not kidding. We're bringing a
Yeah,
cardboard cutout,
you say
and you're just gonna hold a sign. I'm not here.
yes, yeah.
'Cause
Yeah, like one of those things at the circus, right?
Exactly.
We should do a cutout where they can put their head in something.
on your body.
Okay. All right, whatever.
No, it was a great time.
But today's
Yes.
show should have been done last week, right?
Yeah, probably,
Because
but that's okay.
we're talking about packing for a conference, and NAPO is a conference. Do you want to
Yes.
explain what NAPO is for the 2 or 3 people out there who've
Sure.
never heard of it before?
Yeah, it's the National Association of Productivity and Professional Organizers, and their annual conference was held in Fort Worth, which I
Yes.
love that city now. I'm obsessed with
Now,
Fort Worth.
Did you get the picture on Instagram of you on the steer?
Yeah, didn't you see it?
I
The
did not.
Longhorn.
No, I didn't. I saw it on your personal one, but
Okay, yes, I put it on the.
and so she sat on this longhorn. Then they killed it and ate it right afterwards. Didn't you? I thought you said you had some good barbecue down there or something.
Yes, but it wasn't. It
wasn't the steer?
Longhorn. No.
Oh.
No.
Isn't that
Anyways.
the same stuff, or I don't know.
Anyway, conference was great. They come every year. All these organizers. There's about
Yes, nice.
500. They listen to seminars. They look at our products.
And
It's like a family reunion with probably 99% women.
oh my gosh.
There's a couple men sprinkled in there, but there's
Yes.
selfies, there's
Hey, was our
giggling,
buddy
there's
James
hugging.
Lott there? Did you see him?
I did not see James. If he was there, he did not stop. I
Oh,
didn't
well,
see him.
James, what's the deal?
Saw lots of new faces,
Great.
lots of old faces,
Great.
and yeah, it was really, really fun.
Awesome. Well,
And next year,
so next year, if you're going to be going, did they announce where it was going to be? Where at?
Orlando.
Orlando.
Yes.
Wow, that sounds like a lot of fun. Is it going to be like in March in Orlando or something?
That would be really nice,
Oh,
wouldn't it?
maybe
I'm
I
not
should
sure.
go with that. That sounds like a lot of fun. Is it like the Disney properties or not?
I don't know.
Or is it like somewhere up the street?
Maybe it's a suburb of Orlando.
think
I have
isn't-
no
isn't
idea.
all of Orlando Disney? I mean, don't they own everything anyway?
That's a
It's like
good
a whole
question.
little city there, I
don't know.
think.
I'm not
I
sure.
haven't been there for a long time.
I haven't been there since 4th grade. I was 10 years old.
Okay, well, let's just say next year you're going to go to the NAPO conference.
Yes.
In Orlando.
In Orlando.
And you have to pack for it because,
Right.
you can't take everything. Now the airlines are like charging
They charge
you
you
like
to breathe
yeah,
practically.
$5 for, oh, you want a toothpick? That'd be another $3.
You can't have a toothpick on the plane because that's a weapon.
Oh, that's a weapon. Oh, so you can't even have that. You can't even buy that.
My suitcase got inspected in my
no.
carry-on on the way home because I bought this cute,
Did you have the
pretty
steer
little thing.
horns in there?
No, that would have been awesome though. Gosh, I'm really obsessed with longhorns.
Uh-oh. She wants one for her backyard.
I do. No, I bought
You
something
don't have
and
to mow the lawn. They sit there and
I
chop
know.
up all the grass, right?
bare patches. Yeah.
Nice.
Anyway, my suitcase got shuffled through when I was in line.
Well,
Anyway,
we don't want to hear any airport. But so here's what we're
Okay,
going to do.
what are we talking about?
Because we don't know that much about travel and packing.
But you know who does? Debbie Rosemont.
Debbie Rosemont. We did a podcast. We did a 2-part podcast with her over at smeed.com. So if you go to smeed.com/podcast, scroll down to number 187
Yes.
and 188. It's 2
Right.
parts.
And it's actually how to organize for your business travel.
Right. But we're
So
going
we're
to
gonna
talk
pick
about
apart
packing.
the packing.
Just a little bit.
Yeah,
This is like getting ready before you go.
Yes,
Right?
it's kind of right.
Like the pre.
Kind of trying to avoid overpacking.
Yes.
Knowing what to pack. And
So Debbie, if we were to ask you, what should we do when packing for a conference? You would say.
Considering what you're going to be doing both during the on time and the off time. So, are you somebody who likes to re-energize by, taking a morning walk before you get going, and you need to remember to throw in your walking shoes, or, is there going to be a cocktail party or something that is different than, either business casual or business attire that you might wear during the day. So thinking about what to bring, and then, a lot of people will have just a travel checklist that they use every time they travel, whether it's for business or personal travel, to remember to bring things like, headphones and chargers and all those little bits and pieces that can be easy to forget. When we have a checklist, it's easier to, be methodical about getting that suitcase packed and then having what we need.
Is there any tips for like avoiding overpacking? Because, I won't say any names, but people like I know in my family like to take a little bit more than they usually use or need.
Sure. It's tempting to want to have options and choices, especially if the weather might be a little unpredictable. We need to plan for, different types of occasions, but if you can really think through those days that you're gone and say, what will I wear on Tuesday? What will I wear on Wednesday? And just bring those things. And then, some hotels now, I know I recently was at a Westin, and they have for $5 for your whole stay, you can get a fitness kit where they deliver clean sanitized shoes, a brand new pair of socks that they don't expect to get back, and some workout wear. So if that's something that can be provided for you, and for me, it was worth the cost of $5 to not have to bring running shoes because those are big and bulky, I was able to save that suitcase space for a different pair of shoes that I couldn't have borrowed.
Wow.
So finding out, what offerings could, help you such as that ahead of time as well.
All right.
There we go.
Okay.
What do you think?
Well, I think Debbie is awesome.
Yes,
you know
is.
that. So it's like,
Right.
okay,
That's the part about renting the
renting the jogging
equipment. That's just
Well, how do they know like what kind of shoes? I suppose they know your size, but
probably
what if you
your
don't like
size
them?
and
What if you get there and they're like the bright orange ones? It's like, oh.
it's probably like bowling shoes. If you're desperate to bowl and you don't
Yeah.
have your own shoes and you have to rent them, that's
there you
just
go.
your thing. I mean, you have to do it.
Yes. Okay. Well, if you want to watch the whole podcast of that one, plus it's really 2 parts.
Yes.
So you go to sme.com/podcast, scroll down, number 187, number 188. The title is
How to organize your business travel.
That's really
Yeah.
a great thing. So if you're going to conferences or any kind of business travel, there's tons of great tips in there, not just on packing. So I encourage you to go
I
check
did
those
not
out.
overpack,
Good.
just so you know.
How about Scott? Did he have one of like 90-pound
Nope.
bags? And
He brings
he's
just a
carrying
carry-on.
like 3 or 4
No.
bags in there,
Nope, we both just had a checked bag and
Nice.
yep, it was great.
Okay, well, good. So now you know how to pack for a conference, and the rest of the week we'll have to give some other
Let's see.
organizing
What
tips
do we
on
have?
other things. What do we have? What kind of tip do we have
the
tomorrow?
calendar.
You have the April calendar.
Yes, let's see. Tomorrow, an article, how to easily complete any project.
Great.
We continue the podcast with Linda Samuels, part 2 on Wednesday, and we'll
Nice.
stop right there. We won't give them any
We
more.
won't.
Gotta
But
leave you hanging.
like I said in our Monday morning meeting this morning.
Earlier, that was a long time ago.
I had the Monday mantra. Do you remember what the Monday mantra was?
Yes. Something about let's see how fast Friday can get here.
Nice. Okay, because we like that. And because on Friday, well, we won't tell you what's on Friday.
No, we won't. They should know.
Yes, they
Yeah,
should know
yeah,
if you're a
yeah,
regular
yeah.
viewer. You know, we do this every Monday through Friday, 2 p.m. Central, 3 Eastern, and noon Pacific. So we'll be here tomorrow. Come
Yes,
back
we will. All
right
right.
here, myOrganized.life, live. Get organized in color at myOrganized.life.
Live, we laugh, we love, and color. Live, we laugh, we love, and color. Live, we laugh, we love, and color.
myOrganized.life.